Hey drone enthusiasts, SL Tech Guy here, and today we're diving into the latest and greatest in the world of compact drones. If you're on the lookout for the best drone in 2024, you're in the right place. We'll be taking a closer look at the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and trust me, it's a game changer. Overview of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. First up on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and spoiler alert, it's our top pick for the best compact drone in 2024. Let's delve into the specifications that make it stand out from the crowd. Specifications. Now, when it comes to specs, the DJI Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's a feather-light powerhouse, equipped with a 48MP camera. This drone is ready to capture stunning aerial shots. And get this, it boasts an impressive flight time of 34 minutes and has a range that extends from 10 to 20 kilometers. That's some serious mileage for a compact drone. Pros and cons. Let's break down the reasons why the DJI Mini 4 Pro has earned its top spot. On the plus side, it comes with improved video features, omnidirectional vision sensing for enhanced safety, and it's both lightweight and powerful. However, it's worth noting that if you're currently rocking the Mini 3 Pro, the upgrade might not be a major leap forward. Also, some users might find the fixed aperture on the camera to be a limitation. Notable features. What sets the Mini 4 Pro apart? Well, its small, folding design remains regulation-friendly at a 249-gram takeoff weight. The 1.3-inch sensor, providing excellent image quality, is a carryover from its predecessor. But don't be fooled. Processing updates have taken it up a notch, especially in handling noise in low-light conditions. Videographers will appreciate the new D-Log M color profile, offering greater consistency with the Mavic 3. Enhancements over Mini 3 Pro. If you're wondering about the improvements over the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro takes the cake with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means it's now even safer for indoor flights or when maneuvering near trees. The addition of Active Track 360-degree AI is a game changer, making it a breeze for beginners to fly confidently. And if you can swing it, opting for the DJI RC2 controller option provides the ultimate backpack-friendly drone bundle. Conclusion. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact drone powerhouse that builds on the success of its predecessor. While it might not be a must-have upgrade for Mini 3 Pro owners, it's a stellar choice for those entering the Mini series for the first time. Safety, performance, and portability. The Mini 4 Pro delivers it all. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy flying.